Okay, so just to recap, remember when we expand binomials, we use FOIL, first, outside, inside, last. So we go first, which is x squared, outside, which is 4x, inside, which is 3x, and then last, which is 12. Once you get to here, you also have to collect the like terms, so the 4 and the 3 become 7, and then you've got your final answer. Remember when there are negatives, so something like this, we still do the same process, first, outside, inside, and then the last is 2 negatives, so we have to add the 8 on at the end instead of take. So then we do x squared, take 6, take 6x plus 8. Okay, so that's all you need to know about expanding. When we do factorising, for example, if we've got something like this, okay, so what we need to do first is you need to find two numbers that multiply to 20 and add to 9. You also have to include the sign, so for this one it's both positive, so it doesn't matter. Then we list the factors that multiply to 20, so we've got 1 and 20, 2 and 10, 4 and 5. Okay, 4 and 5, they make 9, so what happens is the x goes in the front of each bracket, because we need x squared when we expand, and then we have plus 4 in one, plus 5 in the other. It doesn't matter which way around it goes. If you had one like this, where there is a negative and a positive, you need to make sure it multiplies to 30 and adds to negative 11 this time. So we list the factors again, so we have 1 and 30, 2 and 15, 3 and 10, 5 and 6. Now 5 and 6 have a difference of 11, but this time, to get positive 30, both brackets either have to be positive or both brackets have to be negative. Now it would make sense in this case because the negative 11 is there, it would be both takes. Now if you need to, you can check your answer. Remember to write check, and it becomes x squared take 5x take 6x plus 30, which is x squared take 11x plus 30, so you know you got it right. Okay, we also have ones like this. Where we have a positive and a negative again, so we need to multiply to negative 24 this time and add to positive 2. So for the last term to be negative, one bracket has to be a take and one bracket has to be a plus. Okay, so we work out the factors of 24 again. We've got 1 and 24, 2 and 12, 3 and 8, and 4 and 6. Now 4 and 6 have a difference of 2, but we need to work out which one will be negative and which one will be positive. If the 6 is negative and we add the 4, we're going to get negative 2 in the middle. So it must be negative 4 plus 6 equals positive 2. So we put the 4 in the take bracket and the 6 in the add bracket. And that's all we do for factorising monic trinomials.